Hi, I am at Mumbai's Jogger Park. This place is on Bandra Carter Road and you can come here by bus or cab or auto. It is good to hang out with friends and family or your loved one. Around this place there are some eateries. Also, if you want to eat something, you can buy. People mostly come here in the evening to see the beautiful sunset. Beautiful Seashore Park has walking and jogging tracks for health enthusiasts. The track measures between 360 to 370 meters. There are free to use working toilets which are okay for public toilet in Mumbai with running water for hand washing. There is also water fountain for drinking water although it has chlorinated water. The entry timing is from 6 a.m. to 12 noon and 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Joggers Park is the largest park with a running track in Bandra Khar area. Do visit this place and stay fit and healthy. This is properly maintained and beautiful place. Enjoy the panoramic sea view from here and do visit this place. Bye.